Have you ever wondered how to elevate your 3D printing experience to the next level? Perhaps you've been grappling with inconsistent print quality, or you're looking for a way to speed up your print times without sacrificing detail. The solution may be easier than you think, and it's all thanks to a piece of software called Clipper. Clipper software, for those unfamiliar, is an open-source firmware that can be added to almost any 3D printer. Its primary goal? To improve the performance and reliability of your 3D printer. But how does it do this? Let's delve into the specifics. Firstly, Clipper takes the computational burden off your printer's microcontroller and puts it on a more powerful device such as a Raspberry Pi. This means your printer can operate at higher speeds with more precision, leading to faster print times and improved print quality. Secondly, Clipper offers an advanced kinematics algorithm, which allows for smoother and more accurate movements of the printer's extruder. This results in fewer errors, less wasted filament, and ultimately, more successful prints. Thirdly, Clipper software provides a high level of customization. With its comprehensive configuration file, you can fine-tune every aspect of your printer's behavior. From the speed of the fans to the temperature of the print bed, you're in complete control. Lastly, Clipper supports a wide range of 3D printers. Whether you're working with an entry-level model or a high-end machine, Clipper can be configured to work seamlessly with your specific setup. Now, you might be thinking that a software offering all these benefits must be complicated to install and use. Yet that's far from the truth. Clipper's installation process is well documented and straightforward, and its user community is always ready to help with any questions or problems. In conclusion, if you're seeking a way to enhance your 3D printing experience, Clipper software might just be the perfect fit. It offers high-speed printing, improved accuracy, unparalleled customization, and wide-ranging compatibility, all wrapped up in a user-friendly package. So why not give Clipper a try? See the difference it can make in your 3D printing journey. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information helpful. Also, make sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tips, tricks, and insights in the world of 3D printing. Happy printing, and until next time.